Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2013 Mazda CX-5, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to change and replace your taillight bulbs in this car. So let's start. First thing we have to do, we'll have to open the trunk. Actually the procedure is very simple. Everyone can do this and you shouldn't be afraid of doing this on your own. So we have actually lights here and here. Okay, same thing as with the other side. I'm going to show you on this side. Now for this procedure, what we have to do, we have to get a screwdriver, okay, flathead screwdriver, and now the light assembly, and from the back you put in the lights, the bulbs. Here we have covers, as you can see. Hope you guys can see it. It's pretty dark here. Over here on top, well, we have this cover here, panel, and we will have to remove it. So we put a screwdriver here in this notch. There's a notch, and carefully not to scratch the plastic. Oops. Like this. Okay. Just get the cap out. And now from here, as you can see, we have 3 lights. 1, 2. Oh, it's a screw. It's not a light. Okay. So to get the bulb out, you spin it. You take it with your fingers, take it and spin and pull like this. Okay, so you can see, very simple. Now when you have the light out, you have to disconnect it from connector. How do we disconnect? Over here you can see this, there's a pin right here. You press on it and put this plastic housing off like this. Okay, use 2 hands, don't just pull it, use 2 hands. Go get replacement bulb at the parts store. If it could come like this, and it also could come without the plastic. So if it comes without the plastic, you just pull off the bulb from the plastic. When you have the replacement bulb, you put it back in, connect it with connector, and slide it in the spot and spin till it holds. Okay, it has to be nice and solid. Okay, same thing here. It's a little bit limited space, but this is a turn signal. Okay, right. Okay, same exact procedure. Put it in, spin it a little bit, and you're all set. After you're done, put the cap back on. Let's find the correct position. Okay, this thing goes in the bottom, and click in the plastic back in. Very simple. Same exact procedure over here. Where is it? Right here. Okay, so take a screwdriver. 1, 2, pull it out, and here you have access to lights. Spin and pull. Same way, put it back in and spin it till it clicks, then it's nice solid inside. When you're done, again, same story, right? Put the cover. The cover goes here and just click it in. That's it. As you can see, it's very simple. Everyone can do this, and that's it. It's okay. Now you know how to change it. So I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.